All right, I'm Mr. Short. You're back. Thanks for coming again. Remember, first name, last name, class number, if you have one up top. This is Eureka Math Squared, second grade, module 4, lesson 10, pages 49 and nothing. Just page 49 today. Look at that. There's the back. Nothing there to do. All right, so it says use an efficient strategy to add. Write why you use that strategy. So you can use any strategy you want to add. It's up to you. I'm going to help you with one of these, not both of them, and I'm going to show you my favorite strategy. Here it comes. If you've been paying attention, there's no surprises. We're doing the place value chart, hundreds, tens, and ones. All right, I'm going to put them in there. I got 7 hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I'm going to go back and put this number in. 2 hundreds, 1, 2. 2 tens, 1, 2. 1, 1, 1. Now all I got to do is count up everything in the category, and I'm going to have the answer. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in my ones. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 in my tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in my hundreds. So my answer I got is 979. All right. To me, best way to add, best way to subtract. Best way to do it. But on the next one, you can do it however you want. You also have to write here to your teacher why you use this one. Be honest. Tell your teacher the truth. Why do you like this strategy the best? Whatever strategy you used. You don't have to do it this way. You don't have to do it the same way as Mr. Short. Do whichever one makes you happy. Because if you're happy, that's what we want, right? We want everyone to be happy. 7 doesn't look the best. I would dress it up a little bit. There. Now it's a fancier 7. All right. Use whatever strategy you want down here. Tell your teacher why you use that strategy. And then on the back, you don't have to do anything. This was a nice quick homework. Get this done. Don't argue with your parents. Just get it done real quick. Be done with it. And then maybe you can go do something fun. All right. Again, I'm Mr. Short. This is Eureka Math Squared. Second grade, module 4, lesson 10. And it's time to say, I hope you have a good night.